Hello, everyone. Today we will discuss about how to apply Invenrelation to find your data science career path. I'm the Professor Xu Yu Chang. Many students have questions about how to decide their future career in data science field. The purpose of this short talk is try to apply Invenrelation to help students understanding their data science career path. So they will discuss what is data science career, and based on that, we will discuss who am I. You need to understand yourself before you can make correct career path. And the final step is based on your data science career goal and who am I to design a career path. This part using the abstract system from the Invenrelation step. Okay, so basically there are four kinds of data science related career. First is data analyst. Okay, they perform the data analysis for business insight. The second is machine learning engineer. They design machine learning model to explanation to prediction based on the data collect. And the third one, data engineering, because data science is based on the big data. So we need to have a big data platform to hold process data. That's the purpose of data engineering main task. And the last one is data scientist. Data science sometimes kind of vague. They kind of combine all of them, but sometimes not very specific. You need to study in general job description guideline. And here are common skills related to data science career. The first is about mathematics and statistics. The second is about software engineering and the coding skill. And the third one is machine learning AI knowledge. The fourth one is about big data knowledge. And the fifth one is about cloud technology. Cloud technology is a main platform to hold big data. And the domain knowledge. Domain knowledge means what kind of the problem you need to be solved by data science, okay? And data visualization, business insight, okay? And finally is communication, speech, presentation skill. And we list the importance from one not important, somehow important, and very important for each category of career corresponding to the knowledge skill. For example, the data analysis for the mathematical statistic requirement is kind of somehow important. And for the software engineering coding skill, most is too, but very important for the database related language, like SQL, non-SQL. And for machine learning, big data kind of cloud technology should be one, it should be enough, not very important. Okay. And for the domain knowledge, data visualization, and the business insight, that's very crucial for data analysis. So we put 3 here. And finally, communication skill here is 2. Okay. And so on, so forth. You can base on each cell kind of the column skill set and the category of data science to know how important that technical skill you need to require. Okay. So one more example for data engineering, the software engineering, the coding skill is very important, and the big data processing technology and the cloud is also very crucial for the data engineer because their daily work is need to process the big data over the big data platform. Okay. So understanding this kind of the required skill sets with the different category of data science related position, okay, you need to understand yourself. That is your next goal. So who am I? Okay, you need to understand yourself. Possible question to help you understand yourself are this one. What are the strong or weak technical field of you? You can base on the previous slide, kind of the first column, to answer which part of the technical skill are your strengths, are your weaknesses. The second category is about the personality. For the personality, what is your strength or weakness? For example, some people like social going, some people maybe like to work by her or himself individually. They don't like to very communicate with others. Okay. And what are your future goals? For example, management, technical expert, or try to start up your own business. You need to ask yourself, what are your long-term future goals? Okay, and what kind of maybe is expectation of your life? Okay, so based on the target about the possible data science real career and understand yourself, we can have this data science career chart, okay, abstract out from those concepts we mentioned. So how we read this chart, we have three phases: current phase, now, transition phase, and the future kind of your final goal. Okay. And for now, we classify three categories of your background. Based on my many experience here for teaching industry experience, I can classify three categories of the people who interested about data science related career. The first is science technology background without much coding or computer science training. Okay, like for example, civil engineering or kind of mechanical engineering, something that you don't spend a lot of time in study the coding. Okay. Second is kind of science technology field with much coding skill. Most people came from student kind of double E, computer science, okay, or kind of from the computational mathematics, statistics, some major like that. And the last one is kind of other, not belong to these two category. Okay. And for the transition, we have data analysis, machine learning engineering, data engineering, and the data scientist. Kind of we summarize from the previous slide, four main category of the work job related to data science. Okay. And we're using three kinds of line. Red represent the hard, yellow represent the middle, and the green represent the easy, to show based on your current background how easy or how hard you reach there. For example, if your background is kind of science technology without coding, you need to make some middle level effort to get four of them. Yeah. And if your background is kind of with coding, okay, training, shouldn't be very hard for you to go any one of that. Okay, and if your background is not belong to first one or second one, yeah, you need some extra effort to understanding the coding, computer science, math, engineering concept before you go, yeah, these four. Okay, and for the second phase, from the transition to your final future goal, for the final goal, we have kind of manager, technical lead, and finally start up your business. And for the future part, we have two kind of knowledge you need to enhance. One is kind of more technological knowledge. The other is kind of management knowledge. I using the purple color for the management knowledge and the brown color for technology knowledge. So for all of these four people, if you want to go to the manager position, they need to enhance their management knowledge. Purple color here, you see here. And if you want to continue deeper, sharpen your technical skill to be a technical lead, you need to enhance your technology knowledge. Okay. And some people may stop here, should be fine. And you have even one more ambition, want to start your business based on your background. If your background is more manager side, you need to enhance your technical knowledge to be the start business owner. And if you are technically you want to start business, you need to enhance your business knowledge, kind of management knowledge. Okay. So this figure kind of identify the Invenrelation part about the abstraction of the current status, transition status, and the future status, and we identify their relationship how hard, what kind of the knowledge you need to be study for you to promote to next level. Okay, I hope this short course, short presentation is useful for every one student. Yeah, and welcome to hear your feedback and to discuss with me further. Thank you very much for your attention.